The next thing we want to do is adjust the title on our graph and add axis titles. I'm going to zoom in on my graph so you can better see what I'm typing in. To adjust the chart title, we click on the chart title. It opens up a text box. I can click again to get a cursor inside of the box, delete the text, and enter an appropriate title. I'm going to call this chart The Effect of Age on Blood Pressure. The next thing I want to do is label both my vertical and horizontal axes. In order to do that, I'm going to click on the outside the chart area again, and I see menus appear on the right hand side. If I click the plus symbol, I can add additional elements or remove them from my chart. I'm going to click and choose to add axis titles. You can see an axis title appear along the horizontal axis. This axis has the age in years. We will label it with both what's being shown and the units that it's being measured in. I'll click over alongside my vertical axis and insert a label there as well. I can use the backspace key to remove the current text and replace it with the appropriate label: systolic blood pressure in millimeters of mercury.